So now let's do a quick quiz. We have time for it. The diagram shows Cedric's arms. So these are all purely MCQ. And for this part, there could be more than one correct answer per question. All right, so take a look. I talked a little bit about the biceps and triceps today. So this is where we are asking about that. If we want the hand to move downwards, which is to extend downwards, then we know that part G must lengthen itself. And to lengthen means it needs to relax. And because part G and part H are antagonistic muscles, which means that if part G were to relax, part H will therefore need to contract. Okay, remember the biceps and the triceps are antagonistic, which means they cannot both contract and they cannot both relax at the same time. And the word for muscles is not expand, it's contract and relax. Okay. Next question. Muscles that form around the bones help in movement. So, which of the following is an example of both the muscular and skeletal muscles working together to bring about movement? So, correct answer is we're looking at A as well as B. Okay, so when your teeth are chewing your food, basically you have your muscles as well as your jaw bones working together to chew your food, right? And when you're swinging your leg to kick a ball, you also have your bones attached to your muscles. So most of you have no issues choosing B, but some of you all do not recognize that A is also involved. Okay, next question. Okay, in C and D, they're only muscles. We do not actually involve bones. Okay, which one of the following show the materials carried in the blood to release energy and for removal? So, okay, very good. The answer that we're looking for is A. To produce energy, cells need oxygen, digested food. Undigested food is not absorbed into the blood because they're too large to enter the bloodstream. Okay, and we don't want to remove digested food. Okay, so second last question. Which of the following are materials? Okay, so consider the options and then when you're ready, you can answer the question. Excellent. Oops, music. All right, so here it's not just the things that are transported that's important. The direction in which they're transported is important as well. So like I mentioned, water is always upwards from the roots to the leaves. At the same time, food is always from the leaves to other parts of the plant. So not everybody managed to get it, but quite a number of you all managed to get it. So it's a good job nonetheless. So okay, now let's look at the last question for today. Though I need you all to roll in before I can. Okay, the circled part. Okay, so when you are ready, you all can find the answer to this last question. Okay, so basically, which one shows the movement of substances between the blood and the cells that make up the digestive system? So we're looking at oxygen moves from the blood to the cells in the digestive system. Carbon dioxide will move from the cells to the blood. And digested food will also move from your cells in the digestive system to the blood.